You packed your bag, you checked your list, and you're pretty sure you're good to go. And you mostly are. But there is a handful of packing mistakes that even experienced backpackers make, and nobody talks about them because they seem too obvious. Until you're 3 miles in, digging through your entire bag just for a granola bar. Today we're going to fix that. Hi, welcome back to Adventure Seeking. I'm Bev, a New Hampshire hiker, and I've made enough mistakes on trail that I feel qualified to warn you about them. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, pack organization. First, burying your trail items at the bottom of your pack. This sounds obvious until you realize you've done it. Your snacks, your water filter, and especially your rain jacket. If you're going to need it during the day, it shouldn't be in your main compartment of your backpacking backpack. Outer pockets, hip belt pockets, and the top lid. That is your daytime real estate. Save the main compartment for your camp stuff, like your tent, tomorrow's food, and your sleep system. Mistake 2, hydration reservoir. This one is a rite of passage, and I'm just gonna save you. If you use a water bladder, a reservoir, a camelback, whatever, pack it first before anything else goes into your bag. Because if you pack everything else first, you will not be able to wrestle that floppy full bladder into the back panel of your hydration sleeve without losing your mind. Ask me how I know. Pack the reservoir first. Everything else fits around it. Mistake 3, fuel planning. This one trips up even the people who've been backpacking for years, not just the beginners. If you've got a couple of half-empty canisters, you cannot guess how much is in there by just shaking them. There's a simple fix. Weigh them against a known empty canister, or just look up the weight online and then do the math. Don't get to camp at night with no fuel for your dinner because you eyeballed it. Been there, done that. It's demoralizing. For this, I've got the flip fuel to help consolidate half fuel canisters into one full one. I have the link down in the description. You won't regret it. Mistake 4, clothing and camp shoes. Bring one set of hiking clothes, just one. I know it feels gross, and it is kind of gross, but you're a backpacker, not a hotel guest. One hiking shirt, one pair of shorts or pants, just one set. But bring 2 pairs of socks. Wear one on day 1 and save the other for camp or sleep socks. When day 2 rolls around, you wear your sleep socks to hike. And then you can wash the original pair or rinse them and then just tie them to the outside of your pack to dry. And then you rotate them throughout the days. Keep your feet healthy, just like Lieutenant Dan says. Whatever you do, a lot of people forget this, but definitely bring camp shoes. Something light. Crocs, cheap flip-flops, it just doesn't matter. Getting to camp and taking off your trail runners or your boots is one of the joys of backpacking. I forgot my Crocs on the recent trip with my sister. It made the river crossing quite interesting and relaxing at camp almost impossible. Never again. Mistake number 5, repacking food. Repackaging your food before you leave. Take it out of the boxes and the bulky packaging and put it into Ziploc bags. Yes, crush the ramen, roll the tortillas, drop the oatmeal with the freeze-dried strawberries right in a baggie. This saves a shocking amount of space and weight, and they're easy to grab at any dollar store at your choice. Just take 5 minutes the night before and repack your food. It makes a real difference. Mistake number 6, satellite communicator. Last one, and I'm going to be a little direct with you. Bring a satellite communicator. The Garmin InReach, the Spot, the Zolo, whatever your budget allows. You don't technically need one, right up until you do. Out here in New Hampshire, where you can get deep into the woods and trouble fast, It isn't paranoia. It's just smart. This is the one piece of gear I'm not going to tell you to leave home. All right, 6 mistakes, all fixable before you leave the driveway. None of this is complicated, but all of it makes a difference on the trail. If you've got a packing mistake that's burned you, drop it in the comments below. The comment section is where I learn the most. If this was useful, hit subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And check out this playlist to learn more about the 10 essentials. And I'll see you on the trail.